special terminology. Whenever you browse Autowini.com, you will find many different terms and abbreviations for certain words. Here, you will find a selection of words that you really must know as a buyer, and they will make your process in Autowini much simpler. First, ETD, Estimated Time of Departure. This refers to the date in which your vehicle will depart from the port of Korea and be shipped to your country. ETA, Estimated Time of Arrival, mostly refer to the estimated time of arrival of the vessel that has your vehicle to the port of destination. Consignee, this refers to the person whom the goods or documentations are shipped to. This is important because most of the time consignee is referred to the person who makes the purchase or the agent who is in charge of your custom clearance. BL, or Bill of Landing. This is document of ownership. This is a must-have documentation and the information needs to be correct. This is a must-have documentation for the clearing process of the vehicle at the port. FOV. This refers to international commercial law term. Cost, obligations, and risk of delivery shift from the seller to the buyer. CFR request to cost freight rate. It refers to the trade term in which the seller has to transport the goods by sea to the required port. In short, this includes the cost of shipping and handling from port to port. EXW. In this case, the seller delivers the goods at the disposal of the buyer and other premises. This means that the seller does not have to clear the goods for export or doesn't load into any ship. This is mostly used when customers want to do the shipping and clear by themselves directly from Korea with a different source outside of Autowini. For more information, you can always talk to our customer. For more information, you can always contact us and talk to our customer support for any questions you may have. Thank you.
Autowini.